Some mornings feel like memories. While I gently pull back the vintage curtain, it's as if time is holding its breath and the world outside looks exactly the way it did when I was a child. In the quiet of the kitchen, I gather the little things that always brought comfort. A good bread, soft ricotta, and a spoonful of something sweet from the pantry, all simple ingredients. There is a quiet comfort in these small rituals, placing each slice into the toaster, hearing the gentle click, feeling the warmth begin to rise. It's the same simple rhythm I watched growing up, the kind that made winter mornings feel safe. When the toast rises, that warm, familiar scent fills the room, the same one that drifted through the kitchen of my childhood. I spoon the ricotta gently, letting it fall in soft, creamy swirls. And for a moment in time, I'm back in that old kitchen, watching careful hands move with such quiet confidence, guiding me without a word. Now I spread the ricotta slowly and careful, almost like a ritual. And as the warmth settles into the bread, I'm reminded of those early mornings when my own children were small, when I'd make the same simple breakfast just to see their sleepy smiles, a touch of sweetness, a soft start to the day, little moments that felt ordinary then but means everything now. I hand the plate over, letting the warmth pass from my hands to his. At the coffee bar is where the gentle hum begins to rise. The soft clinks, the slow warmth, the aroma unfolding. It all settles into the room like a familiar sigh. One simple cup, steady and unhurried. The kind of comfort winter mornings always seem to ask for. And as the steam curls upward, there is a quiet calm that drifts in with it. A small pause, a soft breath, a moment that feels like it's holding the whole morning together. The morning settles into a quiet rhythm, a warm plate, a fresh cup, and a gentle stillness settling over the kitchen. Simple, gentle, enough to warm the day ahead, sending warm wishes from my kitchen to yours. Our little community grows one dish, one story, one memory at a time.